Hume Health Body Pod Review. Is this the best smart scale for real body data? In this video, I am going to teach you everything you need to know about the Hume Health Body Pod, so you can decide if this smart scale is actually worth your money in 2026. I have done the research so you do not have to. Let us get right into it. So what exactly is the Hume Health Body Pod? It is not just a regular scale. It uses 8 high-precision sensors and multi-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis to measure over 45 health metrics including body fat percentage, muscle mass, visceral fat, bone density, and metabolic rates. What makes it different from cheaper smart scales is that it has both foot sensors and retractable hand grips. So it scans your entire body from head to toe instead of just guessing from your lower body. Now the big question, is it accurate? Hume claims a 98% correlation with DEXA scans based on an independent study by Socotech. However, not all reviews agree. Some critical reviewers found readings can fluctuate significantly between measurements. On the other hand, long-term users say that when you use it consistently, same time every morning, after using the bathroom, before eating or drinking, the trend data becomes very reliable over time. So consistency is key. The BodyPod pairs with the Hume Health app, which turns your raw data into personalized insights, trend reports, and AI coaching. It even generates a health score from 0 to 900 based on your body composition, sleep, and activity. The basic app is free, but advanced features like weekly health reports and personalized recommendations require a Hume Plus subscription at $9.99 per month. One downside is there is no Wi-Fi. It connects through Bluetooth only, and some users have reported occasional sync issues. As for the hardware, it has a sturdy tempered glass build, supports up to 30 users. The battery lasts up to a year on a single charge, and it is HSA and FSA eligible. The price sits at around $229 with frequent discounts bringing it down to about $183. It also comes with a 45-day return window. Here is your pro tip: do not obsess over daily numbers. The real power of this device is in the trends. If your body fat is trending down over a month, that direction is accurate even if the exact number differs slightly from a clinical DEXA scan. Always focus on the big picture, so my final verdict: if you just want a basic scale for weight, save your money. But if you are serious about tracking body composition trends, understanding whether you are losing fat or muscle, and you want everything in one app and one dashboard, the Hume Health Body Pod is one of the most feature-packed options out there in 2026. Just use it consistently and keep your expectations realistic. If this review helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you do not miss more honest reviews like this. Drop your questions or your experience with the BodyPod in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.